Robots are fascinating creations. They come in all sizes and shapes. There's architect robots, waste sorting robots, welding robots, A2B robots, inspection robots, polishing robots, paper handling robots, and even keychain robots. Robots that twist, turn, tighten, track, and take wings. And we can help you create and implement these innovative technologies. The Danish Technological Institute is a self-owned, not-for-profit institution. For as long as people have been eating cornflakes, we have ensured that cutting-edge technology and knowledge have been converted into value for people and businesses. Our Robot Technology Center, located in Odense, Denmark, is a leading European robotics innovator with a staff of more than 40 robotics experts. We specialize in advanced automation, collaborative robots, vision and sensors, mobile robots, artificial intelligence, drones, digitalization, Industry 4.0, and robot safety. We are among the leaders in bringing the robot technology of tomorrow to full application in the industry of today. Danish Technological Institute, it's all about innovation.